Losing control over one's own body can be terrifying. Neil Patel faced it head on and fought his way back. When Neil came to us for the first time at Mission Health, he was severely paralyzed. No control over his body, no movement in the limbs. We had to use patient's lift to transfer him. His motor functions were totally shut down. GBS, also known as Guillain-Barré syndrome, is a rare autoimmune neurological disease in which body's own immune system attacks the peripheral nerves, leading to severe muscle weakness and paralysis. The peripheral nervous system transmits signals from brain and spinal cord to the muscles. In case of Neil, the GBS he was diagnosed with was the Aman variant, where Aman stands for acute motor axonal neuropathy, which is a more severe subtype of GBS. In case of Neil, his hands were more affected than his legs. We started his recovery with targeted advanced neurorehabilitation to help him regain his motor control and functional independence. He underwent robot-assisted therapy with walking robotics, shoulder and arm robotics, finger and hand robotics, ankle and foot robotics for precise and repetitive movements, thereby enhancing his neuroplasticity. With structured rehabilitation, Neil was able to sit up in 1.5 months. Around 2 to 2.5 months, he was walking with support, and around 3.5 months, he started walking independently. As his hands were more affected than his legs, upper limb took a little bit more time, and around 4 to 5 months, we regained the muscle power of his upper limbs. Today, after 9 months of neurofitness training and neurorehabilitation, he is completely independent, moving around, even playing volleyball and reclaiming his life back. So, your brain has the power to heal. With the right guidance, correct neurorehabilitation, you can reclaim your life back. Yes, you can walk again after paralysis and use your hand again after paralysis.